This may not be you, right? It could be a family member, it could be a close friend, but the reality is if you're a homeowner in America, you are most likely going to miss out on a six-figure earning opportunity because you don't know the right things to do with the equity that you have in your home, right? So the average American right now, according to CoreLogic, has around $300,000 worth of equity in their property, right? So with that in mind, you can use that to then buy $1 million investment property, own that $1 million investment property, and then almost double that $300,000 worth of equity within 5 years. And let me walk you through how you do this, right? So the first step is either doing a cash out refinance or a home equity line of credit, right? Either one of these to pull out around $200,000 worth of cash from your property. Now you can use that as a 20% down payment on that $1 million property and go for something called a DSCR loan. A DSCR loan is a debt service coverage ratio loan, and that will allow you to buy this $1 million property without you needing to have the income to qualify for the mortgage, and instead you're going to use the debt service coverage ratio, which means as long as the rental income that you'll be receiving from the property is equal to or more than your mortgage payment, you'll be able to qualify to buy that home, right? So now you own this $1 million property as long as you hold on to this home and have a tenant in place over 5 years at an average 5% annual rate of appreciation. That $1 million home will now be worth north of $1.25 million, and you'd not only own a primary residence, but you'd also have a rental property that would increase your overall net worth and provide you with tax benefits over that 5-year duration.